Okay, here's a couple conversion questions. One thing that often happens is that we use a specific periodic table, and sometimes the textbook has a slightly different one. So it could be that your numbers are off just a little bit because of the textbook using a different periodic table. But let me show you the process and see how that goes. So my formula, I'm wanting to convert from moles to grams. So my formula is moles is equal to mass over molar mass. I'm solving for grams, so that's mass. So if I multiply both sides by molar mass, I'm going to get the mass is equal to the molar mass times moles. So the molar mass, I got to figure that out. So calcium, I think, is 40.08. And fluorine, right there's 19. Oh, but there's two of them, so that'd be 38. Okay, so that'd be 78.08. So 78.08 grams per mole times, and they say I have 12.56 moles. So calculator, 78.08 times 12.56. So I get 980.6848. 4 sig figs, so I'd be calling this one 980.7. There's my 4 sig figs. The moles cancel out, so my units are grams. There's one. Let's try another one. Looks like that was the same answer they had. Okay, so I need to, what? Oh, I was going to say you're converting from oxygen to oxygen, but it's from grams to moles. So here's my formula, mass over molar mass. They give me grams, so I know this, and I can figure out the molar mass of oxygen. So it's just a dividing question. The mass is 95.8 grams divided by molar mass of oxygen. Oxygen is 16, and there's two of them, so that'd be 32. So divide this by 32.00 grams per mole. Grams cancel. Calculator. 95.8 divide 32. So this gives me 2.99375. 3 sig figs, so I'm going with 3 sig figs. So my sig figs will be 2.99. That answer. Let's try one more. Okay, here's one last one. Again, let me write my formula down. I'm converting from grams to moles. So moles is equal to mass over molar mass. I'm looking for moles. I know mass and molar mass, so the formula is set up perfect. Mass is 32.9 grams divided by, nitrogen was 14.01, and there's one of them, so 1 times that. And oxygen, there's 2 of them, times 16. So that'd be 14.01 plus 32. So it'll be 46.01 divided by 46.01 grams per mole. Grams cancel. Calculator. 32.9 divide 46.01. Okay, that comes out to 0.7150619. 3 sig figs, 0.715 moles. Gotta be that one. Hopefully that helps you with those 3 questions.